Okay, stop. Don't scroll, don't skip, don't even blink. Because I just built a fully working online store, complete with payments, checkout, and a design that actually looks good, faster than my roommate orders pizza. Ha ha ha. No coding, no plugins, no 2 a.m. breakdowns. Just me, a chat box, and an AI that built everything from a single conversation. Sounds too good to be true? I thought so too. Stick around, because what I'm about to show you is about to change how you think about e-commerce forever. Here's a story you've definitely lived. You get excited about starting a store. The dream is real. Passive income, freedom, building something from scratch. You're already mentally designing your I quit my 9-to-5 YouTube thumbnail before you've even picked a product. Ha 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 ha. Then reality hits hard. 3 days gone just picking a theme. You touch CSS once and your logo flies off screen like it's escaping. Then come the apps. Reviews, pop-ups, upsells, abandoned cart emails, SEO, page speed, and somehow an app to manage your other apps. At this point, you're not running a store, you're running an app orphanage. Ha 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 ha. Now you're paying $400 a month in subscriptions. Your site loads in 9 seconds. Your conversion rate is a deeply upsetting number, and you're staring at Google Analytics every morning like it's going to start talking back. Nobody tells you this, but building a store means building a fragile, expensive mess held together by prayers and old Stack Overflow answers. And somewhere in all that chaos, the actual business gets completely forgotten. That was the old way. Here's the new way. Meet Runner AI. And this is not just another e-commerce builder. The team is creating a completely new category, an AI-native e-commerce platform where instead of you learning the platform learns you. It doesn't just help you run a store. It actually runs the store for you. You log in and there's no theme selector, no template library, no tutorial checklist, just a chat box, blinking cursor, waiting for you to talk. You type. Minimalist skincare brand, young professionals, clean design, neutral colors, trust and ingredients focused. Hit enter. And Runner AI builds your entire store, homepage, product pages, full design system, color palette, typography, and wires up the entire backend simultaneously. Payments, checkout, inventory, admin dashboard, all connected, all working right out of the gate. From one conversation. One early user with zero technical background had a full conversion-ready store live in the time it normally takes most people to just pick a font. And you keep chatting to evolve it. More lifestyle-focused hero. Done. Add a comparison block. Done. Create a 3-step skincare bundle. Done. Live. Real-time, front-end and back-end together. No menus, no settings, no digging through dashboards. Every feature you'd normally pay separately for, just ask. Reviews with photos and star ratings, ask, checkout upsells, ask, email pop-ups, limited time banners, SEO, meta descriptions, structured content, on-page optimization, all native, all through chat, no app store, no extra dashboards, no surprise charges at month's end. And behind the scenes, Runner AI is doing something most platforms never touch. Autonomous conversion optimization. It's analyzing every click, scroll, and drop-off point on your store. Continuously testing layouts, content, and checkout flows, automatically keeping whatever converts better. It's like a CRO expert working 24/7 who never invoices you and never sends a 60-slide deck just to explain a button color change. It even personalizes by traffic source. Paid ad visitors see an offer forward experience. Organic visitors get a different emphasis. All automatic. All making you more money without you touching a thing. Real talk, it's still early. Source Sync and AI marketing are still rolling out. But the core, chat to store builder, native features, automatic conversion optimization, all live and working today. 7-day free trial, no commitment, no credit card panic. Just go build something. Drop a comment. What would you build? I rate every comment. Okay. Most of them. Okay, the ones that aren't just emojis. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.